Hey, are you qualified to be hired? According to recent reports, 75% of HR professionals admit that there is a shortage of skills in candidates for job openings. What do they mean by skills though? In this video, I will highlight those skills which are required in 2020. So welcome to Fresh Learning Academy, and in this video I will tell you what are the skills that are natural talents and what are the expertise you can develop to perform a task or a job. Wherein life skills help you to deal with daily tasks in all aspects of your life, and on the other hand, professional skills allow you to perform specific work duties. So, there are several types of skills, whether it's soft skills, hard skills, domain general, or domain specific skill. But in this video, I will tell you how to list skills on resume so that you can land to the job interview. This video will be beneficial for MBA students. So in this video, I will tell you the top and most common management skills that you can list on your resume in 2020. But before doing so, remember, don't list all the managerial skills mentioned on Google or any other social platform. But pick the one which the employer is looking for, which is asked in your job description. You can find them through your job description or you can gather some online with informational interviews. Show few key hidden management skills and abilities. No need to show that you are jack of all trades. Now, you can show them as your past success, high empathy, result driven, fast learner, and having people follow you. These could be some of the skills which you possess. Add some common valuable managerial skills such as communication, collaboration, organization, and interpersonal skills because they are crucial and very important. Don't just say that you have got these skills, but prove them at the time of interview and through giving suitable examples. So, just show and tell won't help you out, but come up with best example that you can quote in front of the interviewer. Now, if you are an MBA student and would like to make your career in the similar field, these are some basic, common but very important and crucial skills which need to be mentioned on your resume and you should tell them at the time of interview. Analytical thinking, people management, business knowledge, budgeting, leadership, communication, yet another very important skill. Hiring, if you are looking for HR position. Interpersonal skill is required in each and every kind of job. Collaboration and teamwork, no need to tell you that every organization would need a team leader. Conceptual thinking along with the knowledge of finance would be an added advantage if you are a student of MBA finance. Now, few of these skills which are not only important for the person or people who would like to make their career in a domain which is related to MBA, but these are the skills which are required in each and every job. Time management skill, conflict resolution, office management, collaboration skills, logistic, delegation, coaching, problem solving, business development, and critical thinking are yet very important skills which could be highlighted. Negotiation skill along with organizational skills, planning, project management, presentation skills, and technical skills always will help you out to stand out from the crowd. You can go through this slide to know more about how you can prove this management skill. So here you have to highlight about your past success so that you know people, you are a person with high empathy, you are a fast or quick learner, you are result driven, you are good in communication and you are a person who can collaborate. So these are the things which you need to prove at the time of interview, and what you can say is here what is mentioned on the slide. So please go through the slide carefully. So these were just few examples. You can come up with your own example depending on the job profile you are applying for. Thoroughly go through the job description and don't forget to take out keywords, buzzwords from there. Also do highlight those skills which is asked or required by the recruiter. Now, this is all for today. Take care, bye bye, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Fresh Learning Academy, a place where learning never stops.